Welcome to Innovative Kids Educational Channel.
What is your name?
My name is Lisa.
How old are you?
I am 12 years old. What color do you like?
I like blue.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a lion.
What is your favorite food?
I like pizza.
How are you today?
I am happy.
Are you excited for school?
Yes, I am excited.
Are you sleepy?
A little sleepy.
What are you wearing?
I am wearing my school uniform.
What color are your shoes?
My shoes are white.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like school.
What is your favorite subject?
I like math.
Do you like playing outside?
Yes, I like the playground.
Do you like running?
Yes, I run in the playground.
Do you like jumping?
Yes, jumping is fun.
Do you like swings?
Yes, swings are fun.
Do you like slides?
Yes, I love slides.
Do you like climbing?
Yes, I climb trees.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
Do you like riding a scooter?
Yes, it is exciting.
Do you like playing tag?
Yes, it is fun.
Do you like hide and seek?
Yes, I am good at it.
Do you like playing with friends?
Yes, I play with my friends.
Do you like making friends?
Yes, I like new friends.
Do you like singing?
Yes, I sing songs.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I love dancing.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Do you like singing rhymes?
Yes, I know many rhymes.
Do you like telling stories?
Yes, I tell funny stories.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, storybooks are fun.
Do you like reading comics?
Yes, I read comics.
What's your favorite cartoon?
I like Tom and Jerry.
What is your favorite movie?
I like The Lion King.
What is your favorite superhero?
I like Spider-Man.
Do you like drawing?
Yes, I love drawing.
Do you like painting?
Yes, I love painting.
Do you like painting with colors?
Yes, I love bright colors.
What do you like to draw?
I like drawing trees and flowers.
Do you like drawing animals?
Yes, I like drawing cats.
Do you like coloring books?
Yes, I color pictures.
Do you like collecting stickers?
Yes, I have many. I love sharing them. We should do it together sometime.
Do you like puzzles?
Puzzles are so much fun. I love how they challenge my mind. We should solve one together sometime. Yes, puzzles are fun.
Do you like building blocks?
Yes, I build towers.
Really? That's cool.
I use blocks and they get really tall.
Wow, can I see one?
Sure, let's build one together.
Do you like building towers with blocks?
Yes, I make tall towers. I love building them high. It's so much fun. You should try it.
Do you like toy trains?
Yes, I like toy trains. They're so much fun to play with. My favorite is the steam engine. What's your favorite?
What is your favorite toy?
I like my teddy bear. He's soft and cuddly. He makes me feel safe. I love him.
What is your favorite toy car?
I like my red car. It's so much fun to drive. We should go for a ride sometime. What do you think?
Do you like balloons?
I do. Why?
I was thinking we could get some and have fun.
I'd love that. Yes, I love balloons.
Do you like fruits?
Yes, I like apples.
What is your favorite fruit?
I like mangoes.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like carrots.
What is your favorite drink?
I like milk.
What is your favorite juice?
I like orange juice.
Do you like chocolates?
Yes, chocolate is my favorite.
Do you like candy?
Yes, I like lollipops.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like chocolate ice cream.
Do you like ice lollies?
Yes, I love them.
What is your favorite snack?
I like sandwiches.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.